This demo guides you through searching, filtering, categorizing, and creating new product entries using the Inventory Management interface. Learn how to efficiently organize products, assign key details, and utilize advanced filtering to streamline your product management process. You can either use Sales, Purchase, or Inventory app to open products or simply type /products and select one. Start by clicking the Search Input field to quickly find a specific product within your inventory. This is useful when you want to locate an item without scrolling through the entire product list. To focus on a certain type of item, use the Filters drop-down and select Goods. This will display only products categorized as physical goods, helping you manage or review inventory more efficiently. After adjusting filter or grouping options, click the Close button to dismiss the drop-down and return to your main product view. This helps you keep the workspace clear and focused on your current selection. If you want to exit the filter or search menu without applying changes, use the Close button. This returns you to the full product catalog, showing all available items. Access advanced search and filter options by clicking the arrow next to the search bar. This lets you refine your product view by specific criteria such as sales, purchase, or expenses. To filter products by their purchasing activity, select the Purchase option in the drop-down. This displays only items relevant to procurement, making it easier to manage inventory from a purchasing perspective. Use the Purchase filter to focus your product list on items associated with purchasing activities. This is helpful for reviewing procurement data or preparing for restocking. Select the Sales option from the Filter drop-down to view products or transactions related to sales. This helps you focus on items that are actively being sold or tracked in sales reports. Applying the Sales filter will show only products tied to sales activities. Use this to analyze sales performance or manage inventory specifically for sales. Choose the Expenses filter to review or manage items categorized as expenses. This is useful for tracking products that contribute to your business costs. With the Expenses filter selected, your product list will display only items marked as expenses, allowing you to focus on and analyze cost-related products. Filtering by goods in the T. Filters drop-down narrows your product list to physical inventory only. This simplifies inventory management by excluding services and combos. Apply the Goods filter to focus exclusively on tangible products. This is especially useful when you want to manage or review stock levels of physical items. To manage or review only service-based products, select the Services filter. This separates non-physical offerings from your main inventory for easier tracking and updates. Filter your product list by services to display only non-tangible items. This helps you organize and manage service offerings without distraction from goods or combos. Use the Combo filter to view products that are bundles or sets. This is helpful for managing grouped items or special offers in your catalog. When you filter by combo and no products are found, you'll see a prompt to create a new product. This is a good opportunity to add bundled items to your inventory. Organize your product list by selecting Group By and choosing Product Category. This groups products under their respective categories, making it easier to compare and analyze similar items. Open the Filters drop-down to further narrow your product or category view. This tool helps you quickly locate specific items or types by applying multiple filter criteria. Switch between grid and list views using the View icon. Grid view shows product cards for visual browsing, while list view presents detailed information in rows for easy comparison. To reset your product view, click the Clear Filter button next to an active filter. This removes the filter and displays all products, helping you return to a full inventory overview. Toggle to the list view for a more detailed column-based display of your products. This format is ideal for comparing product attributes and managing inventory in bulk. Click the New button to start creating a new product entry. This is your first step in adding a new item to your inventory management system. In the product creation form, select Service under Product Type if your new item is a non-physical offering. This ensures the correct handling of services in your system. If adding a physical item, choose Goods under Product Type. This classifies your product as inventory, enabling stock tracking and related features. Enter or edit the product name in the designated input field. A clear and descriptive name helps with searching and reporting throughout your inventory system. Set or update the sales price for your product. This value determines how much customers will pay and is important for sales and profitability analysis. Adjust the sales taxes settings to ensure your product is taxed correctly during sales transactions. This helps maintain compliance and accurate financial records. Review or update the sales tax information for your product to reflect the correct tax rates. Accurate tax settings are essential for proper invoicing and accounting. Use the Analytic Category input to search for or assign a category relevant to your product. This helps with detailed reporting and cost analysis across your inventory. Choose the appropriate product category, such as P130 catalog supplies, to organize your inventory. Proper categorization simplifies product management and reporting. Enter or update the cost of your product. Keeping this value accurate ensures your profit calculations and inventory valuations are correct. Adjust the purchase taxes field to set the correct tax rates for procurement. This ensures accurate tax calculation when buying inventory from suppliers. Use the category dropdown to assign or change the product's grouping. Organizing products by category streamlines, reporting and stock management. Select a category like all materials to classify your product appropriately. This helps keep your inventory organized and improves reporting accuracy. Review or change the product's category to ensure it is grouped correctly for inventory and accounting purposes. Accurate categorization aids in tracking and reporting. Enter a unique reference code for your product in the reference field. This identifier makes it easier to search, track, and manage items in your system. Add or update the product's barcode in the barcode field. Barcodes enable quick scanning and efficient inventory operations. Click the Company field to manage which company or companies have visibility and access to this product. This is important for multi-company environments. Select the relevant company, such as Couture Holding, to assign ownership or restrict visibility of the product. This helps with company-specific tracking and reporting. Navigate to the Attributes and Variants tab to add or edit product options like size, color, or other custom attributes. This feature supports managing products with multiple variants. Click the Sales tab to view or edit sales-specific settings for your product. Here, you can manage pricing, upsell options, and other sales-related configurations. Add optional products under the upsell and cross-sell section to recommend related items during the sales process. This strategy can increase average order value by suggesting complementary products. Choose an upsell or cross-sell product, such as Contemporary Yacht, to link it as an optional recommendation. This helps boost sales by promoting related products to customers. Use the Tags field to add descriptive labels to your product. Tags make it easier to search, filter, and group products for various management tasks. Select relevant tags, like Yacht, to categorize your product for streamlined filtering and reporting. Tags enhance searchability and organization within your inventory. Set the re-invoice cost basis to at cost if you want expenses for this product to be re-invoiced at their actual cost. This is useful for transparent expense management in customer billing. Choose the sales price option for re-invoicing costs if you prefer to bill expenses at the product's sales price instead of at cost. This allows for markup and increased revenue on re-invoiced items. Switch to the Purchase tab to view and manage purchase-related details for your product. Here, you can configure supplier information, purchase prices, and procurement settings.